Okay, in this short tutorial, I'm just going to cover creating different levels in Greenfoot. We're going to look, or I'm going to use the Trick the Turtle game, which I've fiddled so that I can win very easily. So all I need is 2 points. Ooh, let's get 2 points and then we can win. Okay, so that's the first level over. And as you can see, an instructions appeared at the top saying press spacebar to start level 2. So as I press the space bar, then I'm on to the next level, and the next level has got some other objects and other bits and pieces. So how do we actually work this one in Greenfoot? The first thing you need to do, if you look on the left here, you've got 2 worlds. The first world, Turtle World, is the first one that comes up. I've literally just taken a copy of it. So I've created a copy of Turtle World, all the code, and I've just changed the background so it's a sandy background. So that code is literally the same as the original. The only other thing you need to do is create, or when the first level finishes, open up this second level, Turtle World 2. And there's a Greenfoot method which comes with the Greenfoot class called set world, and it literally is that one line of code. So Greenfoot.setWorld, you put the name of the world you want, and it changes the world. In Trick the Turtle, I've got Greenfoot.setWorld, and I create a new object which is Turtle World 2. So basically this one here, Turtle World 2. Let's have a look at the code. It is quite simple. So if we look in Trick the Turtle at the code, which I've got down in the bottom here, basically if we have this, let me put that back in, let's make it larger, go down. Greenfoot.setWorld new Turtle World 2. So basically all we're doing is saying we want to create a new world, this one here, and that's what it said. So I put it into a method called game over, and then it creates a new Turtle World. One other thing you need to do though is this works and it creates the second world, but there's no pause. It literally goes one level's one, flashes up the next one, and therefore the user can't see the instructions which says press spacebar or something else, or something about what score you've got. So all I've done is add one additional line of code to pause the second world before it's displayed, and there's another Greenfoot method to do this, and it's basically called Greenfoot.delay, and you can put the number of seconds you want it to delay. But the way I've done this is I put it in a loop, a while loop. Basically what this says is while the user has not pressed the space bar, delay. So it simply waits until they press the space bar before it starts the second level. So that's all I've done, and I've put that into the Turtle World 2 code. So when this Turtle World 2 is opened up, okay, it's a copy of the original one, but if you look down the bottom, I've put in a new method which is called, let's have a look. So we start here, we do prepare, so it sets all the objects onto the game space, and then I run this thing called pause game, and all that happens is this while loop happens, and it sits there waiting for the user to press the space bar, and then it's over. So that's all you really need for creating levels in a simple version. Create the new world, copy the code from the existing one. In your main protagonist, which in this case is the turtle, let's have a look at the code for turtle. Make sure you set the world, Greenfoot.setWorld, and then create a new world. That's my second one. And if you want the user to have a chance to do something or get ready for the second one, then in the second world, so this is Turtle World 2, you had a loop that just freezes the game until they press a certain key. That's it. Good luck with your coding.